and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be totally different to any kind of video that I've ever really filmed before. This is going to be a little bit of, like, I suppose a bit of a rant video because I'm quite frustrated. So the other day I did a video, and I'll link it up in the cards if you haven't seen it. Basically it was a unboxing of my Juno & Co lucky bag. Now through that video, if you guys have seen it, you'll know that I was a little bit like skeptical about what I received in the lucky bag. I was a little bit disappointed, mainly because quite a few of the products that I received in the lucky bag were not actually sold on the Juno & Co website. It didn't contain, with the exception of the actual Juno & Co sponges and some of their brushes, it didn't actually contain any of the products that was advertised on the flyer for this particular lucky box. So I was a little bit taken aback by that, and I was a little bit disappointed, and I expressed that in the video. Now, fast forward to about 3 days later, I have now done some proper research into these products, specifically the highlighting palette, the eyeshadow palette that I received, and these liquid lips, and this random little brush. And I have some thoughts. I have some thoughts. So to start off with, this brand is basically an AliExpress brand. Now this palette, I found you could buy this for about $3 US. This palette I found for about $1.50 US. These liquid lips, the actual pack, so the pack of these I found for, what was it? It was like $1.43 US, something ridiculous like that. And this brush here was literally like $1 US. Now the way that the actual bag itself was advertised was spend $25 US and get $100 worth of product. So in that bag I received 2 of their sponges. Now these ones retail at $6 each. I received a brush. This one retails at $3, and this brush here, which retails at $6. So if you look at these products alone, these products that are sold on the website in total cost $21 if you were to buy them individually off of the website, right? So I paid $25 for the lucky bag, supposedly to get $100 worth of product. So I'm a little bit frustrated after doing further research into the actual cost of these products here. And I'm also, and I'll throw up on the screen now the actual email that I received, because this is what really frustrates me the most. As you can see, you can clearly see in this advertisement that e.l.f. is advertised there, Folklore is advertised there. Brands that are actually sold on their website are advertised in this flyer. So for me, as far as I'm concerned, this is like false advertising at its absolute best, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I am really frustrated, and I wanted to make this video for basically all of you guys, because lucky bags are becoming a real popular thing now, especially in the beauty community. And the last thing I want is for anybody to go ahead and, you know, trust in businesses to do the right thing and, you know, give you a great value bag or product or whatever. At the end of the day, if you're only set to basically be totally ripped off. So, you know, I dare say that the Juno & Co company probably bought these sorts of palettes in God knows how many masses. These probably would have come down to probably 40 cents, probably maybe even 50 cents a pallet, depending on how much they ordered in bulk. And they've literally just offloaded them to everybody who went ahead and purchased one of their lucky bags, which for me I think is just really, really poor. I think it's exceptionally disappointing, you know, especially when you are a new brand, and especially when your initial product that you brought out was a really great price point, and it's a great product. It works really well. As I've said before, I love these sponges. I did a full dedicated video review on how good these sponges are. So for me, I think it just totally and utterly tarnishes the brand and the name of the business when you go ahead and you basically treat your customers like they're clueless, essentially, you know. I think it's exceptionally disappointing that a brand would think that it's okay to do that. So yeah, look, I wanted to come on here and basically just give you my thoughts on that. I'm a little bit frustrated, as you can see, with how this is all unfolded. I just think it's just very dishonest for a brand to treat their customers like this, and to especially, you know, advertise something and then only for the customer to receive, you know, not at all what was advertised. Now, at the end, to be also really, really clear on this, I understand the whole premise of a lucky bag, and that is luck of the draw, you don't know what you're going to get, etc., etc. But once again, when it comes down to the way that this was advertised, it was very clearly advertised that you're going to get up to $100 worth of product. And it was very clearly advertised the way, like the brands, certain brands that would be, that you could expect that would be included in the box. And from all the YouTube videos that I've seen people upload from these particular boxes, I can pretty much see that everybody got the same kind of stuff. I think the exception, I saw one customer who got a Juno & Co mirror. But aside from that, from what I could see, everybody else's boxes pretty much contained exactly the same as what mine did. So that is what I find to be most frustrating, is the way in which it was advertised, and the fact that we receive products that you can't do, like this as an example. So this eyeshadow palette, there is absolutely no information whatsoever about what is in this palette, not on the box itself, or not on the carton itself, not on the packaging it came in. There is no, there is absolutely no information regarding ingredients as to what went into this palette. And honestly, I can only imagine, based on how clearly copied that is of the Urban Decay Naked Heat, I can only imagine the products that did go into this, and I honestly am not even going to attempt to put this on my eyes because I don't know what's in it. I'm not saying that look, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that I don't own makeup that comes from China, but at the end of the day, the only makeup that I'll ever apply to my face is makeup that I can clearly read an ingredients list and I can see exactly what's gone into it. The fact that I can't do that with this palette at all frustrates me to no end, and I can tell you right now that the only place this palette will be going is in the bin once I've finished this video. I think it was important to come on here and film this for you guys, as I said before, and let you know what the go was with this particular box, because I dare say they'll probably do the same sort of advertising for next year, and I would hate for any of you guys to go ahead and spend your hard-earned money on something that is just not up to par, in my opinion. You know, you would have been way better off to just go ahead and buy these sponges separately. You would have saved more money, and at least you're getting exactly, what's advertised at the end of the day. So yeah, they're my thoughts on this, on the Juno & Co Lucky Bag. Not good thoughts, but anyway, it is what it is. Sometimes, you have some great experiences, other times you don't. And that's what I love about YouTube, is the fact that it gives me a platform and an ability to come on here and share my experiences with you guys, and hopefully you can learn from my mistakes before you go ahead and spend any money. So yes. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your communities, because I think it's a message that, should be shared. The last thing that you want is anybody, your friends, family, to waste money, and especially if they love makeup like I do. And this is a complete waste of money, time, everything. So yeah, thanks again for your support on this channel guys. I really do appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye bye.